Hi everyone, it's Stacy Lee. Welcome to week 3. See, it's flying by. So this week we're really focused on a couple of things. First and foremost, this is a week where you guys learn about mandated reporting, which you will know is, of course, very important. The video is really good, so make sure you're watching the video. And, of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Um, a couple things. Let's see. So some housekeeping issues. The learning contract is due next week, guys. I talked a little bit about it, went over some stuff last week. I haven't gotten any questions, so I guess everyone's great with the learning contract, and I'm expecting all perfect learning contracts since there's no questions. But of course, if you decide you have some questions at this point, please don't hesitate. Reach out to me, shoot me an email. We can arrange a time to talk if you need to talk, so we can get those done on time. And then the other assignments that are due this week, this Sunday, you have another discussion, and then you have a peer-to-peer field discussion. I just want to mention one thing, guys. They're getting a little small. Keep in mind the requirements are 250 word minimum. So make sure that you're, at least getting close to that. I mean, I don't sit here and count every word, but I can kind of tell what a 250 word essay looks like or a response looks like versus, a 50 word response. So keep that in mind. And then the other big thing is you have your first field reflection due this Sunday. And I talked a little bit about that as well last week with no questions at this point. So I'm expecting that I guess everyone is good with that as well, unless I hear otherwise. So I just want to strongly encourage you guys, if you have questions, please, 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 please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here. That's what I'm here for if you need me. Alrighty, so have a great week 3, and I'll talk to you soon. All right.